I'm Michael Fung, Alumni Network Lead Partner and Partner in the Deals business. I started my career with PwC in the early 90s, and I've seen plenty of change over the years. One thing that doesn't change is our connection to people and to purpose. As a member of our alumni network, you remain part of PwC's community of solvers. We help over 10,000 members stay connected while giving exclusive access to services and benefits. I'm looking forward to connecting with you and delivering value to our alumni network members.